Hi, I'm Bob Harris from Bikeworks in Greenville, New York. I'm going to give a demonstration on front wheel removal and the release of the V-brake without a tool. The reason you have to release the V-brake is because the tire is wider than the rim, and the tire will not fit through the brake pads. So the first step is to put pressure on this side right here, push that in, pull this noodle out and pivot that down, and the V-brake opens up. Once the V-brake is opened up, you need to first flip this lever down. That's the quick release skewer, and then hold the threaded knob on the other side and turn the lever 6 turns loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once that's done, you can lift the fork right off the wheel. You can set it down on the dropouts gently, and either transport, makes it easier to transport your bike in the car with the front wheel off, or if you need to repair the tire. For installation, you do just the opposite. You set the wheel all the way up into the dropouts so it's centered between the fork. Stand the bike straight up and down and do the opposite. Hold the threaded nut on one side, 6 turns tight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the final tightening act is like that. Hook the brake back up, like that. Make sure it's all the way in, and we gotta wiggle it a little bit so it's all the way in. That's just a little protector. Test the brake, make sure both pads are moving and the front wheel is spinning without rubbing.